All right, now we're going to work on solving right triangles. Not entirely, but we'll be solving for portions of them. It says here we have a right triangle that is alpha and beta, and then gamma is actually what the right angle is. But they'll show you a picture that looks like this. This is the side opposite alpha is A, the side opposite beta is B, the side opposite the right angle is C. So I'm going to redraw the triangle right here. And we were told that A is 7 and that B is 5. And they ask us just to find C. So in this case, it's just kind of a Pythagorean theorem, actually. You could just do it that way. So you could say 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to C squared, or 25 plus 49 equal to C squared. Then you could add those in your calculator. 25 plus 49, and you get 74. So C squared is 74. And so C comes out to be, go this side. C comes out to be square root of 74. So that would be our answer. C is equal to square root of 74. All right. And by the way, when they give, on this section one that's right triangle, they're going to want your triangles to be in degrees. So I'm going to change my mode of my calculator to degrees now. Okay. Next problem, it's the same triangle, labeled the same way. But in this case, they told me that A is 6 and that B is 4. And they asked me to find alpha. Alpha is up here on the top. So from the perspective of alpha, this is opposite over adjacent. Okay, remember SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA, Choshako. All right, anyway, SOHCAHTOA. So which trig function uses opposite and adjacent? I believe it's tangent. So I could say the tangent of alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 6 over 4. That reduces to be 3/2, but your calculator doesn't care if you reduce it or not. When you're trying to find the angle, you go second tangent. So I go second tangent, 6 divided by 4, and I get that alpha is equal to 56.31 degrees. Perfect. The next problem, it's going to be the same kind of triangle again. So this is beta over here. And we were told that A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 8, and they asked me to find beta. So this would be opposite over adjacent if I use tangent, right? Because I'm given opposite and adjacent, so the trig function that uses those is tangent. So I could say that the tangent of beta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which would be 8 over 6. I know that that reduces to be 4/3, but like I said, your calculator doesn't really care. It'll give you the same answer if you don't reduce it or not. So I go second tangent, 8 divided by 6. I use second because I'm trying to find the angle, and I get that beta is equal to 53.13 degrees. All right, we've solved triangles.